face. They don't want to face their true self. They want to stay in the illusion. They want to stay in the dark. But see, this awakening is forcing their ass, whether they like it or not. See, you are walking light. You are walking love. You are forcing their ass. So whether you want to accept it or not, it's gonna happen. That's why they're big mad right now. They're even more mad because they see it. You are rising beautiful souls. You are amazing. That's why they big mad at you. That's why they big mad at you. Man, love yourself. Keep on loving yourself. Keep on shining your light on their demons. That's their business that they ain't want to take shit for what it was so that they can rise above that shit and rise like you rose. You saw shit for what it was. You went through the darkness and you conquered that beast. See what I'm saying? You conquered that beast that they still afraid of. But they won't get mad at you. Hateful human beings. They think they are human beings. That's what our oppressors want to keep you. Want you to think that you are nothing but a human being. Keep you stuck in that program. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Much gratitude for y'all tuning in. I love you, beautiful souls. Keep on loving yourself. Come on, man. You are the only one that can save you. Rise from the concrete, Ashe. Go step out up in that grass, up in nature. See, they want you to be trapped in that concrete jungle. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Well, peace be with you. There go another Jesus believers. Y'all just always butting in the high vibrational conversation, huh? They always want to butt in a high vibrational conversation. Bruh, your belief system, and you can't fathom these words. This is vibrations. This is high vibrations I'm speaking. You will never understand this because you don't take nothing in. You will never understand because you looking outside yourself for answers. See what I'm saying? They looking outside themselves for answers. I create all my jewelry. I make all my jewelry. If anybody want to purchase any jewelry, my link is in the bio. I appreciate y'all dearly.